Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a stock on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tradingview app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your email address and password or by using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the watchlist page from which you can see the various price of different stocks. Now, if you wish to buy any stock, you can simply search for this stock first. Just tap on any stock that you want to buy and you will see the chart of this stock. In order to buy it, tap on the buy button. And now, once you are taken inside the chart, tap on the blue icon at the top right corner in order to buy. If you wish to sell, then you will need to tap on the red button. Once you tap on the buy option, you will be able to enter the units that you want to buy. You can either enter the units or the amount that you wish to spend to buy this stock. After entering your amount or unit, you can also set up your take profit and stop loss options. Once you have set all of these values, you can also define the limit for trading as well as when to stop. Finally, click on the buy button at the bottom and now the stock will be purchased by your account right away. You will be able to check back within the progress from the chart menu and stop your trade or sell it at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how you can buy a stock on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.